Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video is on DILR, to be precise, on an arrangement set. Okay, let's do the set. Each of the six person, Ankit, Naman, Pranay, Prajay, Satya, Jatin and Chetan, went to watch a different movie in a multiplex. All the six movies started at the same time, but length of each was different. Each of them entered the multiplex at same time as the movie that he went to watch began and exited the multiplex immediately after the end. Okay, so from this we can infer that they all started at same point. Together they all went in the multiplex, okay, and got out at six different times. So there will be six different exit times for six people. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six. It is known that now these points are given. All six were there. This. Let me use all the ink. Now you can pause the video and try this in 8 to 9 minutes. You should be able to do this. Okay, these are the questions. Okay, hope you are done. Now I am explaining this. Okay, each of the six person and until here we were done that they started at same particular point and they got out at six different times. Okay, exited. Okay, now point one, all the six were in the multiplex for exactly 150 minutes. Okay, till 150 minutes all six were in the multiplex and at least four were in the multiplex for exactly 200 minutes. Okay, this is 200 minutes till here, till here, till 400 minutes. Ignore this part, till here only it will be. Greater than equal to 4 people were there till this point. Okay, were in the for exactly 200 minutes. Okay, point one done. Chetan, who was the last to exit, okay, Chetan was the last to get out, exited 60 minutes after Jatin. Okay, so the difference between Jatin getting out and Chetan getting out was 60 minutes. Okay, while Prajay watched a movie which was 220 minutes long. Okay, somewhere here 220 minutes. Who got out here? What's his name? Chetan. No. Prajay. Prajay watched a movie which was okay. So Prajay got out at this particular time. Okay. The second person to exit the multiplex exited 30 minutes before the third person to exit the multiplex did so. Okay. This is quite important point. The second person to exit 30 minutes. See, till here four people were there, four or more. Okay, till 200th minute. From two people got out in between this. Okay, in between this. So at this particular point, four people should be. Okay. Now if we take the third person getting out, I am coming to this third point. Third person, I am spotting where the third person will get out. Okay, it will be before 200 or before that for sure, isn't it? Because it is given that till 200th minute at least four will present. Okay, so say I took the third person to get out somewhere here. Okay, the third person got out at any point, anytime, say 180. So third got out here, second will get out 30 minutes before this, and first so third got out here. Okay, third got out here means from this particular point three people will remain. But is it possible? No. Reason, because it is given that till 200th minute four people were there, four or more were there, but so which ultimately means that the third person will get out at exactly 200th minute, isn't it? Then only we can maintain the ratio of four people being here and two getting out, isn't it? So third person, let me this. So third person will get exactly out, will get out exactly at this particular point. Okay, and so if third person got exactly at out at exactly 200 minutes, the second person exited 30 minutes before the third did. So second person got out at 170. Second person. Okay, first is anyway this first person got out exactly at this particular point. Okay, and now this point Ankit, who watched a movie length which was 180 minutes, more or than. So that has to be one, two, three, four people got out. Ankit's movie, okay. It can't be before 200. Same that what I explained. जो भी मैंने राम कथा सुनाई थी पूरी बता हुआ है वही है फिर. So Ankit will be at this point to third person to get out. Okay, because of this point. Ankit means Ankit can be at 200 or post this, but exited the multiplex immediately before Naman. So Naman will be post him, but post him if we take him somewhere here, we will have only one spot left. So Ankit is exactly at this point because if it say we took Ankit here, okay, somewhere here, then Naman we have to adjust, and Chirag also we have to adjust. It won't be possible because then the first part will remain vacant. No one will come here. So for that reason, Ankit has to get out at third point. Okay, and what Naman will be somewhere here immediately. Naman will be somewhere here. Now, this point we have left initially. The point number two. Chetan, who was the last to exit the multiplex, exited 60 minutes after Jatin. So Jatin, what are the places left for Jatin? Jatin, if we take 50, then we take Jatin here. Okay, we take Jatin here. Then 150 plus 60 will be 210. So Chetan will get out at this in between this. Is it possible? No. Chetan got out at the last. So Chetan can't be here. So Jatin can't be here. So Jatin has to be here because 170 plus 60 is 230 in at the end. So Chetan got out somewhere here. Okay, and Naman will be exactly after this. And five people are arranged. We are left with one Satya. So Satya is here. So this is our arrangement and time of people getting out. Okay, let's read the question. What is the length of the movie that Jatin watched? Jatin 170. Okay, so 170 question number one answer. Question one answer 170. For how many minutes for exactly question two? For how many minutes for exactly five of the person in the multiplex? 5 till here 6%, till exactly here, till here at least till here 6%, and from this point to this point exactly 5 people. So 170 minus 150, 170 minus 150 equal to 20 minutes. Till exactly 20 minutes 5 people were there in the multiplex. Okay, if exactly 3 person were in the multiplex for 15 minutes, what is the length of the movie that Naman watched? Okay, exactly 15 minutes. Naman, exactly 15 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes here, and here 2 people are already there, and 10 minutes are already in between them, and 5 minutes here. Okay, so 215, 200 to 15 to 30, exactly 3 people in the hall. So 215 is the answer, isn't it? 215 to 233 people are there in the hall. 215 is the answer. The number watched the movie of 215 minutes. How many person left the multiplex after Prajay? Easy question this is. Prajay is here, so Chetan. Just Chetan. So 1 is the answer to this question. 1. So thank you so much. Hope this video was decent enough and you understood this set. I saw this set on a CAT preparation group. Many were unable to solve that. So I thought I'm making video on this. So thank you so much.